सब्सक्राइब कीजिए विजय कुमार माई न्यू क्लासरूम, प्रेस बेल बटन to enjoy videos on English lessons and grammar topics. Hello students, could you tell me the way to Marconi Street?
Go straight and left.
Go straight then left. Okay. Go straight then left. I got it. I am at the right address. This is Darling number 46 Marconi Street. This is the lesson. 10 plus 1 class, this is the lesson. Isn't it? Don't you think so? Do you think this is just an address? Yes, this is an address, but this is also the address. The address that girl was looking for. The address we were looking for. You were anxious to complete this chapter 2 of your snapshots 11th class. You were looking for the address, and this is the address. This is the address of this house in Marconi Street where Darling is living, and this is the address lesson 2 10 plus 1 class your snapshot we are going to discuss today. अच्छा लगा आपको इंट्रोडक्शन? यस. तो क्या हो रहा है इसके अंदर? ये यहीं रहेगा परमानेंट. ये नेम प्लेट मैंने खुद आपके लिए बनाया है. ये वो एड्रेस है. कई बार एड्रेस ही पूछ लिया जाता है एग्ज़ाम में, तो ये 1 नंबर का, तो ये आपके आगे यही क्वेश्चन का आंसर आ गया कि वो एड्रेस क्या था जहाँ पर डॉर्लिंग रहती थी. क्या हो रहा है इस लेसन में? व्हाट इज़ इन इट? हेयर इन दिस लेसन ए गर्ल प्रोटैगनिस्ट has a quest of finding herself rather than just finding some mere commodities. ये नहीं कि उसकी माँ जो सामान छोड़ गई थी मैं डॉर्लिंग से लेने आई हूँ, मेरी माँ ने मुझे कहा था कि वो हमारा सारा सामान यहाँ पड़ा है. सिर्फ यही नहीं दिखाया है. In this lesson it is shown that in a war-ravaged nation, what happens with persons, citizens there, their true feeling is reflected in this lesson by Marga Minko. You know what happened during World War II? German invaded Holland during World War II, and whose population was more than 90%. They were Jews, and they had to flee from their places, from Holland. So many lakhs of Jewish families deported from there because they knew about Germans concentration camps कि अब हमें पकड़ ले जाएंगे. Jews के प्रति जो उनके एक मैस जेनोसाइड हुआ करता था during those days, जिसके बारे में ये लेसन है. क्या इफ़ेक्ट होता है चिल्ड्रन पर, बच्चों पर? उस समय तो नरेटर जो है इस लेसन की एक छोटी सी बच्ची थी, है ना. तो हेयर इन दिस लेसन द नरेटर वांट्स टू कन्वे द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ होलोकॉस्ट, जिसमें वो किसी तरह बच निकली. क्योंकि जब वॉर होता है इट इज़ नॉट सो कि दैट ओनली गैलेंट वर्क ऑफ सोल्जर्स की ही कहानियाँ हमें सुनने को मिलती हैं. थाउजेंड्स ऑफ स्टोरीज कम आउट ऑफ लेमैन ऑल्सो. आम आदमी युद्ध में किस तरह से जो है अपने कष्ट झेलता है. Stories of struggle of laymen also come out with war. So in this lesson, what we are going to study, theme of this lesson is after effects of war on us humans. And humans' predicament during wartime is shown in this lesson by Marga Minko, and very poignantly. Personal loss is shown here, and shown here with so poignantly and compassionately is amazing. You will see it. What is happening here is कि post-war, war is over now. Post-war pains of immigrants who are forced to leave their places are shown here. Reconciliation is here in this lesson that follows the war. How war attacks on human bonds. कि नेबर भी हमें पहचानने से मना कर देते हैं जब हम सामान अपना वापस लेने जाते हैं. ग्रेट. और बताया है एक्सटेंशियलिज्म के बारे में. शी समहाउ मैनेज टू सर्वाइव द वॉर. only by coincidences. While her loved ones, father, mother, sister and brothers have been murdered there, the writer is the only survivor. And here in this lesson, she is the narrator also. Mrs. S's daughter. She is playing the role of. She is telling us the story. So how did she succeeded in portraying the true picture poignantly? Because she herself suffered these experiences of existentialism. जैसे आपको मालूम है कि कैसे कंसंट्रेशन कैंप्स में डाल दिया जाता था फैमिलीज को, तो सिर्फ वो बची. शी फेल्ट द पेन ऑफ होलोकॉस्ट वेयर ओनली शी कुड सर्वाइव एंड हर लव्ड वंस गॉट किल्ड. So she could paint real picture of war-ravaged nation situations and predicament of its natives so poignantly and compassionately. Hence we can say this lesson is having an autobiographical note. A reflection is there here in this story and in other stories as well. Writer Marga Minko. And whole story revolves around this address, the address, hence the title. It is shown here how some people were uncomfortable, hesitant, unwelcoming. Mrs. Dorling के थ्रू देखिए आप दिखाना चाहती है when we are back after war, everything comes to normalcy. तो नॉन कोऑपरेटिव जो है वो रहते हैं. She refuses to help her. She was out of goodwill for narrator when she comes back. So this is having an autobiographical note also. In all other story, author Marga Minko, here she is writer and narrator also as well in the story. She is playing the role of Mrs. S's daughter, who after the war is over, normalcy is there now, after liberation, she is back and curious about the things that her mother, Mrs. S, handed over her possessions, her belongings to Dorling, on her promise that she will give it back and she will just keep with her safely and will return as and when you come. She is nostalgic about those things. She is longing for the stuff her mother handed over to her acquaintance Mrs. Dorling, who is a cunning lady in this story, you will see. So writer के बारे में अगर if we talk about Marga Minko is pseudonym of Sarah Manco. Her surname was Manco, but an official accidentally switched the first vowel, thus she became Marga Minko. Born in March 31st, 1920, she is Dutch journalist and writer. Lone survivor of her family, actually has poignantly conveyed us the experience of Holocaust. Autobiographical note hai ye. And not only in this, but in her very first book, which published in 1957, Het Bitter Crude, which was later translated in English with the title The Bitter Herb, where a young girl describes losing her family members one by one during Holocaust, so that war experience is reminiscent of authors. कि लेखक के खुद अपने अनुभव वो बता रही है, उसमें भी बताए, इस कहानी में भी है. एंड वन मोर हर बुक जो है इन लीग हुईज मीन्स एन विच वाज पब्लिश्ड लेटर विद द टाइटल इन इंग्लिश एन एम्प्टी हाउस, shows a girl's emptiness that she experiences in the post-war years, finds it hard to come out of the personal strains and stresses. यहाँ भी आप देखना ये लड़की वो कहती है नो 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 यू कीप ऑल दिस थिंग विद यू, आई डोंट वांट दिस, क्योंकि ये मुझे फिर से अपनी माँ के साथ के समय के तरोताज़ा कर देती है यादें और मुझे दर्द होता है. आई एम इन पेन. यू कीप दीज थिंग्स. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू सी it at once, Mrs. Dorling. I was here not to take these items with me. Rather, I just wanted to see them, touch them. And now, Marga Minko, these days, she lives and works in Amsterdam. So, in this story also, she has given this autobiographical note of her life. She has a masterful and subtle talent. So, we come to this address Darling, number 46, Marconi Street, which is the title of the lesson, The Address. We can say the address is very much apt because she had to deport with her parents. Her mother had handed over all her belongings to Mrs. Darling before fleeing. She is no more now, but gives that address to her daughter, that is 46 Marconi Street. Beta, you go there if you want to see our belongings at once. They are lying with Mrs. They are safe with Mrs. Darling there. You can go there. She finds the woman. On that address, she finds that woman whose reaction to her return there is not welcoming at all. Rather, she is hesitant and uncomfortable. Why she is back? कि मेरा सामान तो गया. Whole story moves around this address and the people connected with this address. Title is, we can say, very much appropriate. And let us talk about the characters of this story. There is Mrs. S, who is no more now, and her daughter Marga Minko herself, playing here the role of narrator, author and narrator both. And third is Mrs. Darling. And fourth character is Mrs. Darling's 15 years daughter. So it should be enough about the theme, title, writer and character. So let's go for a summary of this lesson at once. I am coming with Hindi and English one by one. Both two videos will be there. As the bell has rung. So we will continue summary of this chapter in Hindi first. In my next video, you click here. This will take you to my next video, which is on summary of this lesson, The Address. And I would like to say कि अगर आपने अब तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें, बिकॉज़ मैं आता रहता हूँ एवरी वीक इस तरह के वीडियोस लेकर आपकी स्नैपशॉट्स और हॉर्नबिल के लेसन्स पर भी. और मैं 10th और 12th के भी लेसन बना रहा हूँ. मुझे मोटिवेट करते रहिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए, कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिए कि ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा. आपके कमेंट्स मैं बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ता हूँ. सिर्फ वीडियो देखकर ही बंद मत किया कीजिए, कमेंट भी कीजिए, लाइक भी कीजिए, शेयर भी कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. और don't forget to press that bell icon. Only then you will be able to get my notification of all my future videos. You enjoy this video on The Address 11th class. I am coming with what to talk of coming with. I am waiting for you in next class here in my new classroom. Come join me there. Thank you.